In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure my Google Calendar is private. If you've ever wondered who can see your schedule, this walkthrough will help you verify and lock down your settings so only you can view your events. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This matters if you use more than one account because privacy is set per account and per calendar. In the top right corner, click the gear-shaped settings icon to open the quick menu. From there, select Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where all your calendar controls live. On the left side, you'll see a section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Under that heading, click the name of the calendar you want to check. If you keep multiple calendars, for example, a personal calendar and a separate one for reminders, choose the specific calendar whose privacy you want to confirm. If you're focusing on your main calendar, select the one that represents your primary schedule. Once you're in that calendar settings, look for My Calendar in that same left panel if it's listed, and make sure you're viewing the settings for the correct calendar. Now scroll the main panel until you find Access Permissions for Events. This is the key section that controls who can see your calendar beyond you. Here's the most important part. Ensure the box next to Make Available to Public is unchecked. If that box is checked, your calendar can be publicly visible, which means people could discover your availability or even event details depending on additional options. By keeping it unchecked, you're confirming the calendar is not publicly shared and remains private. If the box is already unchecked, you're good. Your calendar is private. That's exactly what you want for a personal schedule. Right above this area, you may also see a confirmation line indicating that only you can view your calendar. That's a helpful reassurance that your settings are applied correctly. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind for clarity. These settings apply to the specific calendar you selected, so if you manage multiple calendars, review each one individually the same way. Also, if you use a work or school account, some sharing options may be controlled by your organization, and certain choices might be limited. That's it. By opening Google Calendar, going into Settings, selecting your calendar, and verifying that Make Available to Public is unchecked in Access Permissions for Events, you've confirmed your calendar is private.